if you are still broke in 2026, there's nothing that I can do for you, because I'm literally showing you every single day how to run a six-figure business in less than 10 minutes of product research per day. If you don't know what I'm talking about, this video is part of a series, right? It's day 5, and every single day what I am doing is I'm doing some product research to find one new product to sell on Amazon, doing online arbitrage. We find one every single day in less than 10 minutes. And I'm not even going to start sourcing immediately, because I'm going to use arbitrage software. I'm going to set up myself for success for the next couple of days. I'm going to explain to you why, but before I do, my name is Chris Mangunza. I release daily videos here to help you with your Amazon business. So if you are new, then subscribe. All right, let's get started right now. So yeah, let's start with this. So I created a monitor on Arbitrage Stalker. If you do not know Arbitrage Stalker, it's a product, a software that I created to help you track sellers on Amazon and be notified whenever they add a new product, right? So boom, I'm just going to add them all, right? We have a lot, so I might do it a smaller way. Give me a sec. So I just exported all of them with Keepa right here and ask ChatGPT to just give me all the seller IDs, right? So we're going to add all the sellers that are selling this product on Arbitrage Stalker just by clicking on Add Store. Boom, add all of these guys. Beauty subs, that's the monitor that I just created. Here we go. So I just added all these sellers, so now we can chill and just wait until you know, we get some news from these guys. All right, now let's start doing our sourcing. Okay, it took us more than like 3 minutes to do that. Not even, yeah, I paused the video for like 1 minute. Let's see if we have new products on Arbitrage Stalker that we can sell, and we'll end the video as soon as we have one. Okay, so there's a couple new products since yesterday. There's some Barbie. Okay, I love that. I love that, because Zara perfume are like bangers whenever you can find them, if you can find them early. Price went down 14%, so price is starting to tank a tiny bit, but let's see if we can find this profitably. Boom, Zara, let's see if it's profitable. Let's see if it's profitable. That's not the one. Barbie, let's check. My God. Let's do this. There's a typo right there. Barbie. Here we go. 1603. Will it be profitable? 1603, boom. Like, guys, at this point, I don't even know what to tell you. Like, this shit is so easy. It was literally the third product. So I did not check that because it was like, but that's a banger. I mean, you want to sell it fast. You want to be in stock fast and then sell out, because it's a new product. It's not new, it's been selling. Price is going down a little right now. Price will bounce back up. But like, it's still profitable. So like, that's a banger, right? That's absolutely a banger. That was the third product today after we opened it. This was from yesterday, right? Yeah, this was from yesterday. So this is the product that we found. Arbitrage Stalker is feeding us new products already. So we have this Barbie product. Let me see if this one is good and if this one is good. Let's see. Like, it's literally that easy. Like, in less than 5 minutes of sourcing, we found this, because I introduced myself for like 1 minute in this video. So let's see what this is. 23. We can get it at 15 on Toys Wiz. Yeah, that's too tight. That's too tight. I'm not a huge fan of this one. Let me look at these. Is that it? Is that it? Yeah, price is kind of the same. 195 Ps, 195 Ps. And Amazon is selling on this. But I mean, 3 new products, 1 banger. What else do you want? That's literally it. I have nothing else to tell you. I'll see you tomorrow so we can find new products, and I cannot wait for the new monitor to start feeding us products as well. See you tomorrow.